Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restrict bbPress forum to login user or members only in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see we are using forum plugin bbPress, but we are not login and everyone access our topic and forum. So we are going to add restriction. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write bbPress members only. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So click on activate. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see bbPress members only. So click on it. So if you want, you can add your register page URL in this section, and if you want, you can add open page URL. It's mean if you add any restriction on your forum or topic, but you don't want any restriction on specific topic or forum, then you can add link here. These pages will open for guests and guests will not be directed to register page. So it's up to you. Now you see optional settings, so click on it. So we are in optional setting, and then you see only protect my bbPress pages. All other section on your site will be open for guests. So enable this option and then click on submit. Now go to forum website again. So we are in forum topic and refresh the page. Now you see redirect to login page. So we add restriction using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.